Hey everyone, Linus here. Today we have something really exciting to talk about. Today we're diving deep into the Infinix Note 50 Pro plus 5G. This phone has been generating a lot of buzz lately, and for good reason. This new release is making waves in the tech community, but the big question is, can it stand up to the competition? Let's find out together. The mid-range smartphone market is a battlefield, with numerous brands vying for consumer attention. It's a tough crowd to please. Infinix aims to grab a chunk of that market with the Note 50 Pro plus 5G. They are positioning this phone as a game-changer. It's got some big shoes to fill, especially with established brands already dominating the space. But with impressive specs on paper, it just might pull it off. We're talking about a high-resolution display, a powerful processor, and a robust camera setup. Infinix promises a premium experience at an affordable price. That's a bold claim, especially in a market where consumers are spoiled for choice. We're gonna put it through its paces. From everyday tasks to more demanding applications, we'll see how it performs. We'll test everything from gaming to battery life. How does it handle intensive gaming sessions? Does the battery last all day with heavy use? Stay tuned to see if the Infinix Note 50 Pro plus 5G is a winner or a dud. We'll give you our honest opinion after thorough testing. We'll also take a close look at the camera performance. Can it capture stunning photos and videos? We'll find out. Connectivity is another crucial aspect. With 5G capabilities, how well does it perform in real-world scenarios? Is the internet speed up to par? And let's not forget about multitasking. Can it handle multiple apps running simultaneously without lagging? The user interface and customization options are also important. Is it user-friendly and intuitive? We'll explore that too. We'll compare it with other popular models in the same price range to see how it stacks up. Is it really offering more value for your money? By the end of this review, you'll have a clear idea of whether the Infinix Note 50 Pro plus 5G is worth your investment. So stay tuned and let's get started. First impressions, this phone looks sleek. The Infinix Note 50 Pro plus 5G boasts a premium design. It feels great in the hand, and the back has this cool, unique backlighting. The display is a stunner. It features a large 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080x2436, support for 1 billion colors, a 144 Hz refresh rate, a maximum brightness of up to 1300 nits, and a 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. The colors are vibrant, and the blacks are deep, perfect for watching movies or playing games. The high refresh rate makes scrolling buttery smooth. No lag here. It's responsive and makes using the phone a joy. Under the hood, the Infinix Note 50 Pro plus 5G packs a punch. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Ultimate processor. This chipset is no slouch. It handles multitasking with ease. We ran some benchmarks. The results are impressive for this price range. Apps open quickly. Gaming is smooth. No complaints here. The phone comes with ample memory and storage. 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM with 256 GB of UFS 4.0 internal storage, microSD not supported. No need to worry about running out of space. There is a negative thing. There is no expandable storage space via microSD. Section 4. AI at your fingertips. Folax AI Assistant. Infinix has included its own AI assistant, Folax AI. It's designed to make your life easier, and it actually works pretty well. Folax AI can set reminders, make calls, and even control your smart home devices. It learns your habits over time. This makes it even more helpful. Is it perfect? No, but it's a solid AI assistant. It adds value to the overall user experience. Section 5. Capture the moment camera capabilities and features. Let's talk cameras. In today's world, the camera on your smartphone is more important than ever. Whether you're capturing memories, creating content, or just snapping a quick photo, having a powerful camera in your pocket is a game changer. The Infinix Note 50 Pro plus 5G has a quad camera setup on the back. This means you have 4 different lenses at your disposal, each designed to excel in different scenarios. The high-performance main sensor. Thanks to its high resolution of 50 megapixels, Sony IMX896 sensor with OIS, it captures every detail with stunning clarity. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or in challenging lighting conditions, this sensor ensures consistently high-quality images. It takes fantastic photos, even in low light. Thanks to advanced algorithms and larger pixel sizes, Nighttime photography is no longer a challenge. Your photos will be bright, clear, and full of life, even when the sun goes down. The telephoto lens is ideal for close-up shots with up to 50 MP resolution and 3x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom. It allows you to zoom in without losing quality, making it ideal for photographing distant objects or detailed macro shots. The ultra-wide lens captures stunning landscapes at 8 MP resolution, 112-degree field of view. With a wider field of view, you can fit more into your frame, making it ideal for capturing scenic views, group photos, or architectural shots. The front camera has a resolution of up to 32 megapixels and supports 4K video recording. It's designed to give you the perfect look, whether you're taking selfies, making video calls, or broadcasting live. Clear, crisp selfies. High-resolution video recording, thanks to advanced stabilization features, ensures your videos are shake-free and blur-free, giving you professional-looking shots every time. It supports a variety of resolutions and frame rates. Whether you want to shoot 4K at 30/60 FPS with OIS and EIS support, balancing quality and file size, the choice is yours. You can even record in slow motion, capture every detail of fast-moving action, and create dramatic cinematic effects with ease. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G truly puts the power of professional photography and videography in your hands. Section 6. Operation, battery life and charging options. Battery life is critical. Battery capacity, 5,200 mAh. And the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G doesn't disappoint. With moderate use, this phone easily lasts all day. Heavy users will still get a solid day's use, but here's the kicker. It supports incredibly fast 100W charging. We're talking about a full charge in under an hour. That's crazy fast. It also supports wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. You can use your phone to charge other devices. Pretty cool, right? Section 7. The verdict: Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G, hype or hero? Alright, let's wrap this up. We've gone through the specs, the features, and the performance metrics. Now it's time to see if the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G lives up to the hype, or if it's truly a hero in the smartphone market. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G is a beast of a phone. From the moment you hold it, you can feel the premium build quality. The sleek design and the attention to detail are evident, making it a standout device in its category. It offers incredible value for the price. In a market flooded with high-priced flagship phones, the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G stands out by providing top-tier features at a fraction of the cost. This makes it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers who don't want to compromise on quality. Pro's stunning display with a high refresh rate. The screen is vibrant and sharp, making it perfect for watching videos, browsing the web, or playing games. The high refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and an overall better user experience. Powerful performance for gaming and multitasking. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G is equipped with a robust processor and ample RAM, allowing it to handle intensive tasks with ease. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, this phone won't let you down. Excellent camera system for photos and videos. The camera setup on this phone is impressive, capturing detailed and vibrant images. The video recording capabilities are equally good, making it a great choice for content creators and photography enthusiasts. Long-lasting battery with super-fast charging. Battery life is a crucial factor for any smartphone user, and the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G excels in this department. It can easily last a full day on a single charge, and when you do need to recharge, the super-fast charging feature gets you back up and running in no time. Unique AI features and sleek design. The phone comes with several AI-driven features that enhance the user experience, from intelligent photo enhancements to smart battery management. The sleek and modern design adds to its appeal, making it a device you'll be proud to show off. Cons: software can be a bit clunky at times. While the hardware is top-notch, the software experience can occasionally be less than perfect. Some users might find the interface a bit cumbersome or encounter minor bugs. However, these issues are generally fixable with software updates. Brand recognition might not be as strong as some competitors. Infinix is still building its reputation in the global market, and while it's gaining traction, it doesn't yet have the same level of brand recognition as some of the more established players. This might make some consumers hesitant, but those who take the plunge are unlikely to be disappointed. So, is it worth all the hype? Absolutely. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G delivers on its promises, offering a premium smartphone experience at a premium price. It punches well above its weight and offers excellent value for its $370 price tag. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G is a solid choice for anyone looking for a premium smartphone experience without breaking the bank. It combines high-end features, robust performance, and a sleek design, making it a compelling option in the crowded smartphone market. It's a great choice in my opinion. If you're looking for a new smartphone, the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus 5G is definitely on your list. It combines performance, features, and an affordable price, making it a class-leading phone. We wish you great luck in your purchase. Don't forget to support us by subscribing to the channel, enabling notifications, and clicking the like button. Share your opinions about the phone in the comments. Is it worth buying? See you in the next review.